Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today we're taking a look at the Scribit. This has to be one of the coolest things that are reviewed so far on this channel. And pretty much what this is your personal artist. It can produce images like this on your walls. And also it works on glass as well. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at how this thing works and what it can do. So this is what we have inside the box. It may seem a little bit intimidating at first, but it's super easy actually to set everything up, which I'm gonna show you. So let's just take a look at here first. So we do get 12 whiteboard markers, and this is how they look like here. And these kind of work well with like semi-gloss, glossy walls, which I've used it. And these work very well. And like even after they're dry, you're not able like to smudge it. But if you want to like take them off, if like some rubbing alcohol, you can actually easily remove them, which is very nice. And taking a look at the next box here, we've got the 12 erasable markers. So what this does is you're able to erase like whatever you draw on the wall. It has this heat sink in here, so pretty much it will turn this on and it will pretty much erase everything on the wall. You don't have to like go like clean that up or anything, and you can have something new in there, which is very cool. And taking a look at the last one here, this also works on glass. And you're probably saying like, how am I gonna mount this on the glass? You can pretty much put like suction cups in your glass and then mount this on there. But on your walls, you kind of want to put like nails or screws. That's the easiest way to work with. Looking at this long box, we have some important things in here, and we get the measuring tape here. It has these holes, so pretty much it tells you your first screw or nail goes in here. Then it has to go a minimum of 2 meters. So you're gonna get another hole down here, which you're gonna have to mount the next screw or nail in there. And pretty much you put those in and you're set. You don't really need to do anything else at that point, because then you can just mount the wire that's in here in those 2 places, and you're good to go. So pretty much you're able to do 2 meters or up to 4 meters. And let's say you're gonna go 4 meters, it can have a draw space of 2 meters. So just keep that in mind as well. So it's the longer you go, it's gonna have a more larger space to draw on. But I've gone ahead and tested on 2 meters and it worked very well. And taking a look at the actual Scribit here, it does come with this nice spring cable here, which is very high quality. And just the whole thing feels very nice to hold. And it's looking at the back here, it's made in Italy. Usually you don't see that in many products, which is very nice to see here. And pretty much if you want to go ahead and mount the pens on, what you do is just unscrew these little caps here and just stick in your pen. And also these can do up to 4 different colors, which is like amazing. So pretty much you're able to have like a nice art in your wall, because it's able to do like most of these colors. So right now I do have green, blue, black, and red. So pretty much to mount the pens into the Scribit tool here, what you need to do is just unscrew these little caps here and just put it up to here, and you have a black line here, so you just have to go up to there and stop here. And you kind of want to just stop here where you see the black line, and then just go ahead and put in the marker here, and it's done. And then you can go ahead and put the other colors. So looking at the back of the Scribit here, we do got these little wheels here, so it slides better when it's on the wall. And up here there's a few different places which you can mount the Scribit tool. So depending where you put it, if you're gonna put it on glass, obviously you're gonna need to adjust it a bit so everything like touches the wall. Like these 2 wheels, you kind of want to touch the wall so they can like slide off. So that's what you want to do. So just make sure whenever you're adjusting things, usually on my wall I would set it to like 7 here and it worked perfectly fine. And looking at the front here, we do get a nice LED color here, which tells you when it's working and when it's connected and all that stuff, which is very nice to see there. And this is also able to go ahead and draw in multiple colors as well. Like, so you're able to mount 4 colors. So let's go ahead and take a look at the app and I'll show you exactly how that part works. So once you go ahead and mount the Scribit on your wall, you have 2 options to manually calibrate or automatic calibration. That's also in beta at the moment, but it worked out very well for me. That's the route I chose and it worked great. And these are some of the settings you have here. So if we take a look at the settings, we have wall, whiteboard, and glass. So you kind of like want to choose the specific you're drawing on. And also we have the distance and support here for the ones that we took a look at earlier. So the tape here, so you kind of want to go minimum 2 meters, or you cannot really draw anything. So 2 meters up to 4 meters. And then you can choose that in here. So let's say I want to go 2 meters, and the other stuff here is kind of optional, like room and all that stuff. So that's all set. So calibration usually takes like 3 to 6 minutes, the automatic calibration, which isn't bad. And you kind of only need to do it once. But the other cool thing about this Scribit is it connects to your Wi-Fi. So you don't even need to be at home. Let's say you want to draw something new on your wall. You don't need to be at home, and let's say you want to draw something and leave, go somewhere, because sometimes it does take maybe 2-3 hours to go ahead and draw something. So you don't really need to babysit it. So you just need to set it. It will download the drawing to itself and draw. And once you come back home, it's all finished. So looking at home here, we have some cool drawings here for sure. These are like some staff picked, and then you're also able to upload your own drawings in there. I'm able like to upload a picture here as well, but if you can like anything that's outlined, it will definitely look way better. So let's go ahead and take a look at something I did here. So this is the one I chose. So let's go under categories, and I chose the TV series here, and I ended up going with this one here. And if I go ahead and click choose, I'm able to choose one color. So if I want to just keep it one color, I can go ahead and do that. It will take less time, but let's say I want multicolor, and go ahead and click send to Scribit, and we're gonna go ahead and send to Scribit here. And one thing you can see here, it tells you exactly where to put the colors. So let's say it's telling me to put the red up here and the black down here. So pretty much you know exactly where to put the colors. Every time you're printing something new, it tells you like exactly where to put the colors. You don't have to do any guesswork or anything like that. So for this one, it's telling me 106 minutes to finish the full drawing here, which is pretty good actually, 106 minutes. But then there's, if you're going for like longer distance for the 4 meter, obviously that's gonna take longer. And also depending on the drawing, if you're doing a 4-color drawing, obviously it's gonna take way longer. But for this one, 106 minutes, which isn't bad at all. So right now, let's go ahead and take a look at the time lapse I did this drawing on, and you can see how good it looks. That is very impressive, as you saw. Like it definitely gets like all the details in the wall. Let's say you were doing this manually drawing, you will never be able to like get something like perfect as that. It just looks awesome. It's like having your personal artist with you at your home at any time you want to. The great thing is, let's say you want to use these whiteboard markers or the erasable markers, which the machine can erase automatically by itself. Or even the whiteboard markers with rubber and alcohol, you can easily like go ahead and remove it from your wall without leaving any stains or anything like that, which works very good. And you're able to print something new. As you can see here, I also did some other prints like the Joker here. It's very detailed, especially the letters and everything looks amazing. And also for a kid's room, if you want to do something like this, so you're able to get that done in a few hours, where you don't need to go ahead and buy art for your home. You can just pretty much print something new every time you want to. Let's say you're tired of that drawing, you can just go ahead and print something new, which is very cool. So when I said first in the intro this has to be the coolest thing, it definitely is, because I've been using this in almost all of my rooms. The next room is the living room, and the thing is, it looks good. And the thing is, when someone comes over and sees the art there, it definitely impresses, and it does look very cool as well. And another use for this is, let's say you're doing the glass here, the glass markers, and you have a small store, you put this up, you can have something new there every day, pretty much. Every time you have like a special or something like that, you can have it, like do it from your home. You can just have it print directly to your window. I think we're probably gonna start seeing more of these in stores, especially in malls, because it just makes sense, because you're able to put a new graphic and you have the multiple colors there. You're able to choose pretty much any image and just go ahead and draw it on your window. It just makes more sense, and it looks more personalized and all that stuff as well. And definitely, I don't think this is going to be my first review of this. Definitely I'm going to be drawing a few more things and coming up with more time lapses and posting them. So just keep an eye out on my other social media like Instagram, Twitter. I'm going to be posting those as well. If you guys have any questions or suggestions about this Scribit tool, and definitely I'm going to be making a second review of this because this thing is just cool. And let's say you guys want something drawn on my wall, just go ahead and leave it in the description below. I'll take a look, and then your drawing can be on my wall next. So really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.